Are e-cigarettes actually safe? Over the last decade, vaping has exploded in popularity. Companies claim these devices can help people quit smoking and that they're harmless. But a lot of people aren't convinced, and for good reason. So let's break down what's really going on. An e-cigarette has three main parts: a battery, an atomizer, basically a tiny heater, and a cartridge filled with liquid, with or without nicotine. There's also a microsensor that detects your inhale and triggers the atomizer to produce vapor. Some devices even add a glowing tip for aesthetics. The big difference from traditional cigarettes is obvious. You're inhaling vapor, not hot smoke. The liquid that turns into vapor usually contains water, a solvent like glycerin or propylene glycol, and optionally nicotine. Glycerin and propylene glycol are common in food and cosmetics. Nothing exotic there. For comparison, when you take a puff from a regular cigarette, the tip can reach temperatures between 200 degrees Celsius and 600 degrees Celsius. That heat breaks down tobacco and produces thousands of chemicals, dozens of which are known carcinogens. E-cigarettes don't burn anything, so they don't create the same chemical cocktail. That alone makes them less harmful than traditional smoking, but less harmful doesn't automatically mean safe. Vaping only hit the global market in 2003, and long-term research is still catching up. Scientists simply haven't had enough time to fully understand all potential health effects. What we can say is that avoiding both smoking and vaping is the safest option. And what about quitting smoking? Do e-cigarettes actually help? Honestly, not really. Nicotine addiction isn't just chemical, it's behavioral. Even if you use nicotine-free liquid, you're still inhaling, still holding a device, still performing the ritual. That ritual is a huge part of the addiction loop. So while vaping may feel cleaner or smoother, it doesn't magically break the habit. It often just reshapes it. And that's baby science for you.